In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an ad on Gumtree. First, sign in at Gumtree.com and open Manage My Ads from the top right user menu. Find the active listing you want to remove. The fastest option is Delete. Click Delete under the ad, and on the confirmation dialog, you'll usually see a question asking you whether your ad was successful or not, with two options to choose your experience. Choose one and click Delete, and the ad is removed immediately. If you prefer to keep a public record, choose Edit instead. Add "sold" to the title and write "Items sold, do not contact" at the top of the description, then save. That keeps the listing visible but stops most new inquiries. After you delete, check Manage My Ads, Inactive to confirm it moved off the live site. If you deleted accidentally, you can usually repost the listing from inactive unless it violated Gumtree's policies. And that's it. Thanks for watching.